I see you know a lot of things, and you've been making a lot of things happen, but none of it seems...
Godlike?
Yeah, godlike.
And what to you would be godlike?
Change the weather.
Ah, special effects, huh? What would you like? A little earthquake? A small hurricane?
Well, no, I wouldn't want anybody hurt. I was just thinking maybe, what about a little rain?
Little rain?
Yeah, a small shower.
One small shower, you got it.
Hey, it's raining. You made it rain. You didn't even bat an eye. You didn't have to lift a finger.
Rain's not that hard.
It's unbelievable.
Would you like it to rain a little harder?
No, this is fine.
How about bigger drops?
No, this is fine.
Would you care for a little snow?
I don't believe it. Hey, it's not raining outside. It's just in here.
Why should I spoil everybody's day?
This is fantastic.
Thank you.
It's just like Noah's Ark.
Same thing, without the smell.
What's the problem, officer?
Oh, I was about to ask you.
My radiator must be leaking. I'm sorry about that.
Radiator doesn't hold that much water.